How's it going, guys? It's K Cars, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install a turn signal relay on a 2001 Jeep Cherokee XJ. If you guys recently installed LED turn signals on your Jeep, you're going to notice that they hyper flash just like this. So if you're not familiar, this is what I meant by hyper flash. It does it in the front and back, and this happens when you install LED lights. So to fix this, you're gonna have to install a turn signal relay. I'll show you guys here in just a second. I actually purchased a full exterior LED light kit from One Way Light. It's about $130. It included all the exterior lights except for the headlights. And I actually did order LED headlights separately, but they are on back order for about 2 months. So you guys will definitely get a video on those when they come in. This is the one it came with. If you want the number, it's right there. And this is what it looks like. It's just a little box that plugs in under your steering wheel. So I'm going to show you guys how to install this thing. Guys, so I'm currently on the driver's side, as you can see. So first thing you're going to want to do is take off this little plate right here. So there are 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. Just a regular, I believe, Phillips head screwdriver. So just take these screws out and then take this whole plate off. And alright, so let's go ahead and screw these out. There we go, just pulls out just like that. Alright, so once you have the plastic plate removed, now we can go ahead and remove this heat shield here. There are 2 screws, one on the left and one on the right here. So just go ahead and unscrew these. There we go, that should just come out. Alright guys, so once you get the heat shield off, the actual turn signal relay is going to be on the top left right here. So I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it is actually this little thing right here. So you just have to kind of unplug that and then plug the new one back in. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to record this because it is a pretty tight squeeze in here, but I'll do my best. After about 20 minutes of struggling, I actually got it out finally. It did have some kind of tape around it, so I used this little utility knife and just kind of cut around the edges to get the tape off of there. Then I also used a screwdriver to just pry it off, but you just have to pull it off of there the best you can. There's no like tabs or anything you have to push. You literally just have to pry it off of there. And like I said, I would recommend just cutting off that tape, just using a screwdriver to pry it off. You probably will spend a good bit of time actually trying to get it off, so that's normal. At least it was for me. So now we can go ahead and put the new one in. As you guys can see, this is the new one. It does have 5 prongs. You want to make sure these all line up into the proper position before you put it in. So yeah, let's go ahead and try to put this thing in there. Right there is the actual spot that the relay has to connect to. So I'm not sure how this is going to go. I might not be able to get this on film again just because I'm probably going to need some more room to actually get in here. But just in case, you guys know what it looks like there. And this is what the actual relay looks like. So this just has to plug into there. Alright, I feel like that's in there. So I think I got the relay in there. I'm just going to go ahead and test out the turn signals here. See if they hyper flash or not. So that's good. That's good as well. So looks like we got it in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and line it up in the same position that it was whenever I took it out. So it was kind of facing the back like so, I believe. Just make sure it stays in there. All right, so now we're ready to go ahead and put the heat shield back on. So just remember there's 2 screws on each side. And there are also 2 tabs on the bottom, so you have to line those up first and then put the screws in. Now for the plastic part, there are 2 little push pins on top. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but there's one right here, one right here. So you want to just push those in first. There we go. Now we can screw in the 3 screws on the bottom. Alright guys, so that's how you install a turn signal relay on a 2001 Jeep Cherokee XJ. Like I said, if you do have LED turn signals on your Jeep Cherokee XJ, they will hyper flash, so you are going to have to get a new turn signal relay for that. And the one that I got actually came with the kit that I bought from One Way Lights. The whole kit was about 130 bucks. It came with a full set of LED exterior lights, everything except for the headlights. So for 130 bucks, it included all of those plus the turn signal relay. As you guys saw, after I installed the turn signal relay, it actually stopped hyper flashing. So now it's just gonna flash at normal speed. As you guys saw, the most difficult part of the whole install was actually getting the old relay out of there. It was kind of like taped on. So like I said, I did have to take a utility knife and kind of just cut around all the tape. And then I just stuck a screwdriver in there and tried to pry it apart. That's probably the easiest way to do it, honestly. And then you just plug in the new one and put on the heat shield and the plastic part, then you're ready to go. I have a lot more plans for this Jeep. I am gonna replace the transmission fluid and flush the radiator and change the coolant. And I also have the lift kit, wheels and tires already picked out, so that's gonna be really awesome to put on there and test out off-road as well. If you guys haven't seen my previous Jeep XJ videos, definitely go check those out. They're on my channel. The first video I made was just revealing the car, then first impressions, 5 things I hate, 5 things I love. And after that, I did a tutorial on how to change the oil and oil filter. Then I did the front and rear diff fluid, so did the transfer case fluid, and now I'm doing the LED lights and the turn signal relay. I have a bunch more plans for this Jeep, so like I said, lift, wheels, and tires are coming in the near future, hopefully. So you guys definitely want to subscribe to see my whole Jeep build. And I am going to be doing a lot more off-roading with this thing. If you like those kind of videos, definitely subscribe. And if you're only here for the Challenger, you can stay subscribed as well, because this car is still here and not leaving. Like I said in one of my previous videos, I will be doing a lot more videos with this car this summer, so that'll be a lot of fun. I'm really excited. Hey guys, make sure you subscribe to see the whole Jeep build and a bunch of Jeep off-roading. If you guys found this video informative or entertaining, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely check out my previous Jeep videos. As always, thanks for watching.